Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. My name is Muhammad Jafri Hakim bin Muhammad Jamil and I will be the moderator for today. Now, let me introduce each panel. On my left is Mr. Hakim as official OSH. On Mr. Amril, agent for Perkeso. Today we are going to discuss about case of accident happened factory in Rawang and how to prevent it from happen again. We gonna start our discussion with part 1, which is the hazard in car manufacturing factory. Without wasting time, let's start with panel 1.
Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Thank you for the moderator for such a good greeting. Now I will share my opinion about why this case is happening. From my opinion, the main factor why this case is happen because the owner keep delaying the maintenance on its own machine and only focus on production.
For example, one car company just see the demand instead of thinking about the safety of its worker. This will later on expose its employee to the danger coming, such as blade from machine that could potentially fly off and harm employees.
Thank you, Mr. for your opinion. Now, let's hear from Mr. Ahmed about this topic.
Thank you. From my perspective, I will agree with Mr. Hakim, but I would like to add some of my opinion into it. There are many unskilled workers in the factory. This will later on expose the worker with the risk of losing part of body. This is crucial because government need to pay a lot of money to cover the insurance among every employee. That is for me. Back to the moderator.
Thank you for panel 2 for his opinion. Now, let's move on to the next part, and that was question. We then allow Mr. Hakim to express the thought onto this.
Alright then, my point about this part would be that we need to enforce more strictly about the law we created. For instance, creating a law state about the responsibility of the employer to its employee, and we will give penalty to the employer who break the rule. This will make employer more aware about the maintenance or safety of its worker.
That's all from me. Back to the moderator.
Thanks. Now, let's hear what panel 2 gonna say.
Okay then, what I want to say is that the owner is responsible to make sure their staff always have insurance to cover out when something bad happen, such as life insurance, so that the family can still survive even after they're gone. That was for me. Back to the moderator.
Thank you for your guys' great opinion about this. But next, we move on the third part, and that was the instruction. Everything have instruction itself, and the factory was not exceptional. Then let's hear from Mr. Hakim of what he gonna say about this.
Thank you, moderator. Now, the instruction part of this situation, I would like to add my opinion, and that was the worker can use their own mind when handling machine.
For example, the employer need to teach or give some instruction to use machine and keep updating as new machine coming out. This can prevent from goofy and presumed worker when handling difficult machine.
That's all from me. Back to the moderator.
Thanks a lot. Now let's move to panel 2.
Alright, my point was the owner responsible in making sure their employer follow the rules. For example, make morning meet up and check every staff and giving some briefing for them start working. That is all from me. Back to the moderator.
Thank you for both panel for sparing time with us and share their opinion. We hope those will carry out the responsibility to ensure the statement given will be successfully. We also wish Perkeso can help to ensure the safety of employees. Thank you.